Alongside the OnePlus Nord CE6, the OnePlus has also launched the Lite variant of it in India as OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Apex chipset, coupled with Mali G615 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be virtually expanded up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In the camera department, the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite sports a 50-megapixel primary rear camera with f1.8 aperture, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera placed inside the center punch hole cutout with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Oxygen OS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system for better thermal management during heavy usage. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166 by 76 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. Now, coming to the pricing details. The OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite has been priced in India at 20,999 Indian rupees for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage model is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8 GB plus 256 GB storage option is priced at 25,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from May 12th in hyper black and vivid mint color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite smartphone? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.